Leg swelling. Do you think it's just fatigue? It's not. If you ignore it, it can turn into bulging varicose veins and even serious vein disease. But don't worry. Today, in just 10 minutes, I'll show you how to drain swelling and prevent varicose veins with 2 simple ankle pump routines. The first is a standing version, easy to do anywhere. The second is the full version at home, using a foam roller or wooden pillow. And at the end, I'll show you 4 bonus acupressure points to boost your results even more. Have you ever come home from work and your shoes felt too tight, your feet heavy, your ankles swollen? This is not just discomfort. It's blood pooling in the lower legs, struggling to return upward. When the vein valves weaken, blood flows backward. That's when varicose veins appear. So swelling is not just a cosmetic issue. It's a warning sign. Let's begin with the standing version. No equipment needed. Stand near a chair. Hold it lightly for balance. Now, slowly lift your heels. Pause 1 or 2 seconds. Feel your calf tighten. Then lower your heels down. Let's do 20 together. 1. Pause. Down. 2. Pause. Down. 3. 4. 5. Good. Your calves are squeezing, then releasing, pumping blood upward. This routine is perfect for office workers, for students at a desk, and for drivers on a break. Even just a few sets a day make your legs feel lighter. Nurses who stand all day say their legs feel much lighter after doing this during short breaks. Students use it beside their desk to fight swelling during exams. Now the full version at home. Place a foam roller, a wooden pillow, or a firm cushion under your ankles. The support should touch 2 to 3 centimeters above your Achilles tendon. Lift your ankle slightly, then let it drop, completely relaxed. That vibration travels upward from your heel, through your calf, all the way to your thigh. Let's do 25 on the left leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Excellent. Left leg is done. Feel your leg lighter. Now switch to the right leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Keep the same rhythm. Keep going until 25. Stay relaxed. Breathe deeply. Almost there. And done. Studies confirm this. Regular ankle pumping lowers venous pressure. It improves blood return, and it prevents varicose veins. The standing version is for prevention, quick and easy. The home version is for deep care, powerful and thorough. Together, they protect your legs all day long. You can feel it right away. Your legs feel lighter. The tightness in your shoes fades. The sock marks soften. But the long-term effects are even greater. After 2 weeks, swelling reduces. After 1 month, veins flatten and your leg lines smooth out. 10 minutes today shapes lighter, healthier legs tomorrow. And now, 4 bonus acupressure points to boost your results even more. First, Tai Chi. On the inside of the ankle, between the ankle bone and Achilles tendon. It reduces swelling and supports kidney health. Second, Sun Yin Jiao. 3 finger widths above the inner ankle bone on the inside of the shin. It helps with circulation and balances hormones for women. Third, Kunlun. On the outer ankle, between the ankle bone and Achilles tendon. It relieves leg fatigue and helps prevent varicose veins. And finally, Tai Bai. At the base joint of the big toe on the inner side. It supports digestion and improves lower leg circulation. Press each point gently for 1 to 2 minutes after the routine to maximize the effect. Start with 100 reps in the morning and 100 at night. That's 200 a day. Later, increase to 500, even 1,000 if you like. The effect is the same as a 30-minute walk. A few cautions. Never slam your legs down with force. Always relax. And never do both legs at once. One side at a time for maximum circulation. Outside, use the standing routine. At home, use the roller routine. And finish with acupressure. Try them today and feel the change in your legs. Leave a comment and tell me how many reps you did. Your story may inspire someone else to start. If this video helped, please like and subscribe for more healing routines. A small habit today protects your legs for tomorrow.